Hi everyone, this is Samir. I recently joined eVision TechnoServe and I want to share my experience with the remarkable training and placement service. At eVision TechnoServe, I had the opportunity to learn about various critical areas in the field of IT, including Windows administration, Linux administration, cybersecurity, CCNA, ITIL, and basic networking. The curriculum was comprehensive and up to date, covering all the essential aspects and providing me with a strong foundation in each subject. Apart from the technical knowledge, eVision TechnoServe also emphasizes the importance of corporate culture. They provided valuable insight into professional etiquette, communication skill, and how to thrive in a corporate environment. This aspect of the training was incredibly beneficial, and it is as it prepared me not just to do the job but to excel in a corporate setting. One of the standout features of eVision TechnoServe is their commitment to providing placement assistance after completing the training. I received placement support which led to securing a job at Microland Private Limited with a CTC of 3.11 LPA. Their network and dedications to student success truly set them apart. Overall, my experience with eVision TechnoServe has been outstanding. The quality of training, focus on corporate readiness, and excellent placement support have been instrumental in my career development. I highly recommend eVision TechnoServe to anyone looking to build a successful career in the IT industry. Thank you, eVision TechnoServe, for all the support and guidance.